Vedanta says, you are not the dream body, you are not the physical body, you are not the subtle body, you are not the causal body. You have identified with them, that is why you are experiencing the limitations of them. That is why you are suffering because of them. You are the Atman, the infinite consciousness. This is not theoretical. You can see this for a fact. At each of these levels of experience, at each of these dimensions, that witness, which is witnessing everything, is common. But our attention is not at the witness level right now. Our identification and our attention is with the physical body, and hence we are experiencing this life as the physical body.